Hello, biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel gajan gua seme baruran palping kaliang racheme. Lerban ling ring mutuo kare which ka sa Sudan. Mabukono linga kadur dangrau kia tugdul dangrau tichinyen kam dien jen bukono lingo. En lerame gore jede rande jeling. Chaladu chane welkel chakanak. Kane wero ti chamu ka bot re wich ka toin nos gwan me shi tuk dule dangro shi ka nyintin ken tuk dule toto ka tuk dule jani jang ken chin nyenyone kie ken iri konde sharure nak ban leran ban jelin kel chuje proje no bi subscribe ko bi nyo anasin ko kien bu kon ta danen nyen janga jam nak ka rodien ga jamo ban jelin kel gwasame kawrajan shalat gwasame shalat dinene shane welkel shaganak ne warauti shamu kabot kur mishitwok kam jana karodien re wicha ka South Sudan en regme tuoga ka tony nos dor dangroti chinyin la local authorities ka warab state ka tony nos county shikana lardo nene te ka dor dangroti chinyin kan dor to shine welkel shiga lutin ka ne warauti te ka bot dit no awane me tuoga kam dor dangro kam ngane kien te ka match ke tichorin te ka match dit no gwada mo shu te ka term de kam dien wa shu kor mo shu tuoga jen gwada danen liune toten ne de kontila officially shikala dunene en korman tuoga kana tuoga ke Saturday en paiwa you know kane kan ngwanen kontin chirin mo ka match wa beka kama sharal bet payam shu kan wida dian mishala awul payam shu kan shu maka kur no al waken te ka jen kant me kala te ka ne no wa ngwad mi ko je to ko shu ne ko bugri nak siguri nak ne wal kel ka ne wero ati te ka bot Jose Madu Deng Ramkel Katoinos County Commissioner shala de no chiri mo je to no a jene area ka me to rei market no you can market you can wang no wan gwasamo chu teke det ba ti cha pe je kan ti cha pe kam shala ral bet payam ano ala commissioner deng shela do nene kan ti ring mi kon to ka chang kan wan ano ka wul payam ring mo jen kwale lo chere ke revenge ke shunijan kata da nan yin kan gaje kan ida to ke gan jang kane ne ko ne lam ngane ke criminal te jen ka ral bet payam chu kan ayi chu kan mak la headquarter dunga wul payam ano an gwasamo shu ne te chop ko ngwan shu kanak ano ne te chop ko die shu kanak ana ka shu ne ngwan kanyan gwasan chaw mo ka bot ano anyok chu nyok tuong nyok ke ni ka jen chang ka mo ka ral bet payam ku ne te chop ko wel ke le chupone am ku kono gwasame en kan jang sometime don ila re ken no ko rien ke shunga kel no ngode te kan karik chang na men kani de mon konti rai ke sa Sudan ngode chikan takamal kam nikin ala yu shi kan non kamalo kwak shi kan non kamalo chang sha chikan kan kwani ten nyam rewe ka so Sudan ngode na karodien munyo da gwan wo anywhere ken gwat liuna zen so ci jangati ci yeken ci tes nen ka jen do brana shalen gwadam beje kwenje ka to english be achuling ramon no ga be linga to ko an be chuling Local authorities in Warab State, Tony North County have reported that communal clash in the area have left 11 people dead and 12 others wounded. The violence erupted as an army used from rival communities clashed over disputed issues. According to officials, the fighting began in the early hour of Saturday when army used from Ralbek Payam launched an attack on Awul Payam located within the same county. The confrontation resulted in casualties on both sides. Joseph Madu Deng, the Toinos County Commissioner, confirmed the incident. He stated that the violence escalated rapidly with home and market set ablaze. Additionally, goats were reportedly raided from Ralbek Payam. Commissioner Deng explained that the clash were a continuation of an earlier incident on Thursday last week in Awul Payam. Criminal youths from Ralbit Payam attacked Aye, the headquarters of Awul Payam, at 4 a.m. During that fighting, 5 youths were killed and 4 others were injured. The attackers were eventually repulsed, but another clash occurred later the same day in Ralbit Payam, he said. Deng added that youths from Awul Payam pursued the Ralbit group, leading to further violence at Ralbit Payam headquarters. 6 people were killed and 7 others sustained bullet injuries. Houses and the market were burned and an unconfirmed number of goods were raided, he reported. The wounded from both communities are currently receiving medical treatment at hospitals in the state. In separate incident, Commissioner Deng confirmed that 2 commercial vehicles traveling from Tony source were looted as they attempted to use the Madiat Ajak Road to reach Ralbet. Aye argued the paramount chief of Tony North also confirmed the clash. He stated that the fighting was instigated by armed youths from Ralbet Payam. Homes in Awul were burned, 4 youths were killed. An ambulance driver was also killed, bringing the death toll to 5. Around 5 others were wounded in the initial fighting, he said. Chief Agu added that while details about casualties in Ralbik were still unclear, at least 7 people were confirmed dead and numerous homes were burned to the ground. The situation remained tense as local authorities worked to mediate between the communities and prevent further violence.